G'day YouTube, Warbles on a lot here. I've been having a bit of a day of mechanical maintenance and shit. Oil change and filter change on the car, so I decided to do the generator too. A little bit overdue, 328 hours, which is about 170 hours since I did it last. So it's probably reasonable that the oil that's come out of it is fairly dark. And not at all clean compared to what goes in. Those of you who've been following the progress of this generator will remember that the first oil that came out of it had quite a lot of sedimentation and shit in it. Metal filings and stuff. The second lot of oil to come out of it, it's also got a fair amount of crap and crud in it. As you can see there, the settled out stuff, which was all non-ferrous and non-magnetic. I did have great hopes that the third lot of oil which came out wouldn't have any ferrous particles. However, here's the oil that was the third lot to come out of it, and as you can see, it has got ferrous particles. Not as many perhaps, but they're still in there. So, I think I've figured out what's going on. From day one, this generator has had particularly noisy tappet rattle, and it does tell you that every year you're supposed to check the valve clearances, but I couldn't find anywhere that would tell me what the valve clearances were until I actually came over here and started messing around with my feeler gauge. And what do we find there? Inlet 0.1 of a millimetre, exhaust 0.1 of a millimetre, and by chance I actually have a set of ancient feeler gauges from back in the days when I had a Morris 1100 and I used to have to fiddle with my valve clearances. So I've just reset the valve clearances, and it was up sort of probably between half a mil and a mil. It was sloppy. It was exactly what I thought I was listening to. So maybe that's where the metallic ferrous particles have been coming from in the oil. It's certainly, I think, where the noise has been coming from, and I hope it's going to be quieter in future. So, for my next trick, I will put magnets up against that lot of oil and see how much metal was in it, and then I will remember to fill the sump with new clean oil before playing with the on switch and trying to start the thing up. Warbles on a lot to YouTube. So far it hasn't died. Ciao.